Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily download and set up Google Pay on your Samsung Galaxy device. So first, head over to Play Store on the device. Now in the search bar type Google Pay or Wallet depending on your preference, and now click on Google Wallet, click on Install and wait for it to download. Now, after we open it, here we get the question if we allow Google Wallet to send us notifications. We can either allow or don't allow. It's pretty much everything based on our preference. Now what we can do is add something to the wallet, like a payment card, transit pass, loyalty card, gift card, or photo, your maybe gym membership card or something. And here we are mostly focused on the payment card because this is the reason many people use Google Pay. So now we click it, and here what we need to do is line up a card, or we can enter details manually, like our card number, like the month, the security code, the name of the card holder, the region, and the addresses. Now after we do that, the card will be here, and if you would want to pay, what you need to enable is something called NFC. As you guys can see, it's right in the connections, NFC and contactless payments. And after we enable the wallet and the card would be here, we click on the card and then make sure that the NFC and the contactless payment is enabled, and we can pay through our phone. And that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.